What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff. So I made this video, guys. I know Tesla is at a very attractive buy point here at $210 a share. I've seen a lot of people talking about, first thing Monday morning, how they are planning to buy Tesla here at these levels. Should you wake up tomorrow morning and buy the stock at 210, or should we wait off a little longer? Any support level that Tesla has been pushed through time and time again, and it is in complete free fall mode. And last week, guys, especially the last couple days of the end of the week, a lot of things really piled up on Tesla fast, and unfortunately I do not think the pain is over yet. And like I said, guys, I currently have a hold rating on Tesla, but I still want this for the long run. Okay, so whoever hits the rock bottom on Tesla, I applaud you, but unfortunately, guys, Tesla is trading back under its 2014 levels. In May of 2014, Tesla was trading at $207 a share, and now in May of 2019, it is at $210, and it looks poised to fall further. So do me a favor, guys, drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all the support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Tesla stock shed $23 a share in 4 days, guys. And I think a lot of it stems from this. This is an article that has slipped by a lot of people. I really do want to bring it to your attention. Is that so? T. Rowe Price sold more than 80% of its Tesla shares during this year's Q1. Guys, they were holding 1.7 million shares as of March 31st versus 8.9 at the end of 2018. Of course, T. Rowe Price being one of the biggest institutional investors in Tesla. And so with a big sell-off, this actually leaves T. Rowe Price holding the smallest number of Tesla shares since 2013, after ramping up its holding late last year, even as the stock dropped following Elon Musk's funding secured tweet. And so as they step back from Tesla, it has continued to pump money into potential competitors in the race to develop autonomous vehicles, including an equity investment in GM's Cruise driverless car unit. So that is really something to keep an eye on. I knew this was going to kind of be a residual effect, is that now pretty much every auto manufacturer is working to produce autonomous vehicles, and so naturally some investment money is going to be spread around, and Tesla cannot be viewed as the sole electric car company any longer. And then just 1 day later, Tesla's senior director of communications, Dave Arnold, is going to be leaving the company after a 2-year stint, and he took over the high-profile top communications job last July from Sarah O'Brien. Now, the communications job at Tesla is considered particularly important due to the EV automaker's lack of traditional advertising, okay? So again, guys, this is something that probably didn't directly affect the stock price, but I find this something that, if not replaced carefully and competently, could continue to hurt the market share and their market cap over a period of time. So when I said it was a rough week for Tesla, guys, I was not kidding at all, okay? So the very next day after that, on the 17th, this is when Tesla dropped over 6% and tumbled to fresh 2-year lows after Elon Musk emailed employees to alert that he and CFO Zach Kirkhorn would scrutinize all expenses as part of a hardcore cost-cutting effort. So Musk said that Tesla's $2.2 billion cash reserve is a lot of money, but actually only gives us about 10 months at the first quarter burn rate to achieve break even. So he mentioned small efficiency improvements such as better packing density or rearranging process flow to a fewer forklift moves can have a great impact if everyone works on it. Now, this is a real red flag. If you are heavily invested into Tesla, I would spend a great deal of time just asking yourself a couple of big questions here. I think we can all pretty much unanimously come to the understanding that the next earnings report is going to be once again very disappointing, and now they are burning through their cash reserves at a very fast pace. And even when I read this statement, guys, this sounds very desperate, okay? And so if you are very heavy into Tesla stock, you might want to think about selling off a large portion of it and allocating those funds to stocks that are better set up in the meantime. Again, do as you must. I just want to issue fair warning. I think it is going to get much worse in the short term. So now let's talk specifically about the stock for a moment. Guys, Tesla has lost $61 of share value, which is equivalent to 22.78% over the past month, okay? Now, do not be alarmed if tomorrow in pre-market, Tesla is actually trading under $200 a share. Again, I'm not saying to totally expect that. Market conditions might be up, but I think if we do see any strong declines during this week, I think there is no doubt in my mind that Tesla trades under $200 a share. I would love to sit here and think that $200 a share is a great level of support, and a lot of institutional buying will jump in and push that stock price back up, and we very well could see a bounce tomorrow. Like I said, the same as we saw here back shortly after they reported earnings. Tesla dropped to $232 a share, and it did bounce up a little bit in the short term, ticked back down to around $232 on May 1st, and then got itself back up to $250 a share. So there was an opportunity for a small swing trade in there. But what you have to understand is that the shorts and the put options are going to come in hot and heavy on those bounces. And in the matter of 2.5 weeks, lost an additional $44 per share. So in my opinion, I think you should hold off, guys. I think Tesla is going to be under $200 a share, and I think we should all probably get back together and take another look and kind of see where things are at when it's around $180 to $190 a share. I was to put my money on either side of this, guys, you probably have an pretty easy short sale down to $190. But anyways, go down to the comments, guys, share your thoughts. I would really love to hear what you all are thinking about Tesla here at 210. Thanks as always for watching the video, and have an awesome day.